Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. You guys, I'm actually filming in the morning after I got ready and everything. It is currently 7:25 a.m. Let me show you guys. 7:25 a.m. and I'm about to learn how to knit socks. So crazy. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this day. So I did say that I would start like last night and stuff and just put the footage from last night in here, but I decided to hold off and just like do everything today because why not? So I have my designated sock bag right here. It holds the other yarns that I plan to use for my next couple of socks. Also in here I have my 9-inch circulars and my 32-inch circulars for when I do magic loop for the sock, and I'll be using 2.5mm needles. So the yarn that I'm choosing for my first pair of socks, this yarn right here that I just caked up, it is called Christmas Tree Farm from Teeny Button Studio, hand-dyed yarn. And yeah, so this is like a Christmassy yarn, so I decided why not start with like holiday themed yarn and hopefully have it done, have both pairs done by Christmas. So I'm gonna be learning how to knit vanilla socks on 9-inch circulars. It is by, hold on, I have the video. It is by the Crazy Sock Lady, and I'm going to be following her tutorial, and I also have the pattern on my iPad. You can buy it off of Etsy. Yeah, she teaches how to knit vanilla socks on 9-inch circulars. Let me show you the tutorial I have pulled up. She also has like different tutorials if you want to knit socks on magic loop or on DPNs. I just chose 9-inch circulars because I want, you know, 9-inch circulars. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing all day, teaching myself how to knit socks. I will show you guys my progress. I'll tell you how I feel about it. And yeah, so let's start. Guys, I made it through the first row, the first round of stitches. Look at this. Hold on, let me show you this way. So this is what it looks like. This is so weird. This is so cool, and it's easier than I thought it would be. So like I'm doing the cuff part right now, so it's from cuff to toe. That's how this pattern is, which I'm grateful for because I feel like the toe to cuff would be challenging. Okay, you know, we like easy over here. Anyway, and I have a little sock stitch. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on. I have a sock stitch marker that Kalila gave me, and she gave me this stitch marker right here. So cute. Oh my gosh. So now I'm also, my pattern is up here, my iPad's up there, and I have the video, so I'm following both so that I can understand what I'm reading in the pattern as well as, you know, learn visually. So both helps me. And now it is time to knit this for a bunch of rounds. How do I feel about it? It's easy. It's great. I just have to do like a little adjustment, you know, because I'm literally knitting on this. Like, these are my needles. Like, what? So, you know, it's a little delicate, but it's worth it, okay? I'm very excited to see what this yarn, oh, you guys can see it like in light now, what this yarn will look like as socks. Oh, it's so cute. It's a glimmer on it as well. So cool. Let's get to knitting socks. Alright, so guys, I am done with the cuff of this sock. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna be so awesome. So now I'm gonna watch the video, and the next step is just like doing the stockinette long part, like you know, this is the cuff, whatever. Okay, it's a sock. I'm just about to do the longish part of the sock, and it's just gonna be stockinette for like a bunch of rows. I already read the pattern, so that's how I know what's next, but I'm still gonna watch the video, see if she does any tricks or anything that I need to know, and then yeah, I'm just gonna be knitting my sock all day, all night. I got some packages in, so let me show you guys real quick. All right, the first one, I already opened them, so I know what they are. The first one is this yarn winder. So I bought it straight from the person who made Sorella's Own, and it is so beautiful. I have no idea how to use this, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna just Google it, YouTube it, and I will use it for my mini skeins. And just so exciting. So this will be very useful. And I also got my ChiaoGoo Tunisian crochet interchangeable hook set. Look at this. Ah, so exciting, you guys. So it comes with this little pocket right here, and it has like this like sizing guide, and then it has like things you would need for the cables and stuff, I think. And then let's open it. This case is so cute. And then here are the cables. And there are two 8-inch cables, one 14-inch and one 22-inch. And this is what the set looks like. Ah, so cool. This is so real. I can literally just open up that Tunisian crochet handbook by Tony and just start learning, you guys. Like, look at this. This is so cool. It's like I have a freaking interchangeable needle in my hand, but it's an interchangeable crochet hook. Like, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh. So it goes from 3.5 to 10 millimeter, which is so cool. Here's the smallest one, and they're made out of bamboo or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's the set. So I will learn how to Tunisian crochet in the new year. I don't know when, but it'll definitely be an entire video for you guys, and it's gonna be fun. So those are my packages. I will put these somewhere. I don't know where. I barely have room anywhere anymore. But yeah, those are my packages. So now it is time to go back to knitting socks, and then I'll be back later tonight to show you guys the advent. So I am a few rows into like the long part of the sock, you know, that goes down your ankle or whatever. I really don't know how to explain it or describe it, but this is how much I have so far with the sock. Look at that stockinette. Oh my god, the stitches are so friggin' tiny, dude. Like, hello? Are you kidding me? This is amazing. I knew I would love this. I am so in love with doing this. This is just this is just so amazing, guys. It is much easier than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little challenging to like hold these tiny needles, but honestly I kind of hold them the same way I hold my bigger needles. I just don't have grips right here with these long fingers. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I basically do the same thing. That's it for the update with the sock. We'll see more tomorrow. It is Advent time. All right, guys. It is the 15th. And like I said yesterday, I am not even going to try to guess these colors anymore because it hasn't even been a fade anymore. So let's just be surprised. Oh my gosh. This is probably like orange or something. I don't know. Anyway, here it is. Oh my gosh. This is freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, I can see this. Yours doesn't look like this?
Yours is so dark.
Really?
Yeah, mine was not that dark.
That's because look at yesterday's for me.
What?
Yeah, yours was darker. Look at this, guys.
Wow, yours actually looks like a fade.
And yeah, this is so pretty. Why are we going back to days 1 through whatever?
That's what I was
like,
saying.
what is happening here? This is so pretty. Oh, I love browns so much. Browns and purples. Purple. This is my novice sweater, chunky edition. Look at this. Twisted collar. But oh, this was yesterday's own and this is today's. See, I can see this. Look at this. Stuff like this gives me hope to guess again, and then my heart gets broken again. So, dang, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh man, I need a sweater quantity of this. Dang. But yeah, let's show it all together. All right, this is what it looks like. You guys, it seems like we're going back here where we had like some purples and browns, you know, but this is like really purple and really brown, but it's beautiful. I cannot wait to work with all of this. And I don't know what tomorrow's own will be because I'm not guessing. That's all of the yarn. I'm very excited to see what tomorrow's own will look like because today's own was very pretty. I'm excited to knit more on my socks. Hopefully tomorrow, by the time like I do my intro and stuff, I can have like a bit more to show you because I'll be working on it tonight and I'll be working on it when I wake up in the morning after I do all of my stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because it will notify you whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog.